back to the X Factor Philippines, and we are coming to you live na live from the Pacor Grand Theater here in Parañaque City, and this is still performance night, mga kapamilya. And I have Miss Pelita beside me. Miss Pelita, gorgeous Miss Pelita.
Nako, thank you
Who
naman.
is our next performer for the night?
Okay. Ngayon naman, mga kababayan, kasi kailangan magtatagalog tayo.
O sige, magtagalog ka na.
Ang ato intaw mga kaigsuon dito sa Kabisayaan. Niya intaw ni dinhi sa X Factor. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a lady and a woman talagang gusto niyang maiwan dito sa competition. And she's going to try very hard to continue being here with your help. Once again, please, Joanne. Very good, very good.
See you next week, Joanne!
Yung competition niya sobrang pabigat na ng pabigat. Isa din yung reason para mag-build pa ako ng self-confidence sa sarili ko. Mahilig talaga ako mag-shop. Kaya lang, sa sobrang busy dito sa kaka-rehearsal, good to know merong online shopping. And dito ako nakahanap ng HiPad tablet. Free delivery to.
She has already proven herself to me. She's getting better and better every week.
This week, maipapakita ko na yung other side of Joanda.
Gusto niya ma-prove na kayang-kaya niya yung mga kantang yun and bagay sa boses niya.
Together with Mr. Band Samson, nag-gel in naman yung gusto namin mangyari. Aliyah, sana magustuhan mo yung version ko. I'll just give my very best in your song. What I feel. Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you're thinking of. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. There's no need to make believe. Oh, but at your best, you are loved. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need, the reason why, let me know, let me know, let me know, just let me know, baby. Tell me what it is, tell me what it is, tell me what it is, tell me what it is. When I feel what I
Joanne Dove. That was so nice. Alam mo, akala ng mga tao na mas maganda yung mas bagay yung boses mo sa mga CD, sa mga recordings lang. Because I don't think they've ever really heard just your voice. Dito sa song that you chose, dinig talaga yung quality ng boses ni Joanne. For me, Joanne, the best is yet to come.
Thank you po, Sir Martin.
Dun sa mga performances mo, lagi mong sinasabi, next week, Abangan nyo, meron pa akong ipapakitang bago. Pero ngayon, ang ginawa mo, bumalik ka sa dati, which for me, na-miss ko rin. Na yung boses, yung marinig ko yung boses, yung Joanne, yung boses ng Joanne na ginawa siyang deserving para umapak dito sa X Factor stage. Doon sa kanta, hindi ko lang alam kung yung kanta makikilala ng lahat, no? But it's certainly, you did a very good job with that song. Gusto ko pang marinig ang boses na yan. Yung ganun tipo.
I think that was her voice though. Wasn't that her voice? That's sweet, that
Yun
almost
nga eh.
squeaky, very
That's
small.
why, parang bumalik siya dun. Kasi
bumalik.
the
Sorry.
other performances, puro galaw-galaw. Hinintay ko yung Joanne, yung
Hinahanap yung glasses niya eh.
yun nga eh. Pwede rin.
Naalis na rin.
Ako, for me, nung sinabi ni Tito Gary na, tama si Tito Gary na, medyo hindi maraming tao yung may alam nung kanta. Pero you know what's good about it? The way you performed it, it's unforgettable. Thank you, thank you. Joanda.
Thank you. Thank you very much, judges. Yan. Actually, si Joanne, minsan matigas ang ulo niyan eh. Matigas ang ulo niyan. Sinasabi ko sa ganyan. So sometimes I just tell her na lang, pero you know, meron siyang unique quality na when she comes back to me, sinasabi niya, kasi ganito kasi ang gusto ko, kasi sabi ng musical director, maganda daw ito. So at least, sumusunod siya, but she has very, very good ideas.
Good
And I hope she can stay long. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat, judges. Hi, Joanne! Mga kapamilya, kung gusto niyong iboto si Joanne, it's XM space Joan. At konting-konting hintay na lang, guys, at maaari na kayong bumoto. Maraming salamat, Joanne! Martin, it's your turn. Sino ang pambato mo from your category?
My youngest son is next, but I want everyone to know, alam mo dito sa X Factor, to be a multimedia star, hindi naman kailangan tall, dark, and balladeer. So to all the attractors and detractors, if you love him, text. If you don't love him, text pa rin. This is Kedabon. You're shining on that stage like you always do. I'm so very proud of you.
May X-Factor ka, Kedebon!
Ni-enjoy ko yung mga pangyayari na naabot ko tong posisyon na to.
Recently, we lost a great rocker, Carl Roy. Kedabon will now give his interpretation of what Carl Roy was trying to say.
Nung napanood ko si Carl Roy sa mga networking site, sabi ng mga commentators, "You rock, idol!" Ngayon, si Homer Flores ang nag-arrange. Maganda ang kalalabasan nito.
We all know Kedebon. Kahit anong song na bigay mo sa kanya, ginagawa niya, buhay na buhay talaga.
Sana may standing ovation at goosebumps. Correctionize na yun, ha? Pareng Carl Roy, hihiramin ko muna yung kanta mo. Sana magustuhan ng daddy ko. Para sa'yo, Carl Roy.
Sige na, people, let's get on down. Sige na, sige na, sige na, sige na. Sige na, people, come on, let's get on down. Sige na, sige na, sige na, sige na. Sa pagkakapo mo, nakarinig ka ng tugan. Sige na, yuga na. Magsabay pa lang tugtugin, ang ngati ang talampakan. Sige na, yuga na. Well, I came on, I brought you, I got all my stuff on you, yeah. Yeah, you make me sing, you make me dance. Come on, people, give me a chance. Hip hop, don't stop, everybody. You gonna. Sing it up, people. Let's get on down. See, sing it. See, sing it. Sing it up, people. Let's get on down. See, sing it. See, sing it. Ang iyong mga kasama, bakit ang kakahihiyan? Sige na, yuga na. Ha! Tumayo ka kaibigan, simulan mo ang sayawan. Sige na, yuga na. Well, sige na, ako na. Sige na, yeah. You make me sing, you make
You're gonna break something.
Kedebon! Kedebon, ano ang title ng kantang yan?
Yuga na.
Yuga na.
Yuga na.
Thank you.
Yuga na.
Yuga na.
Yuga na.
Yuga na.
What? Tita? Behave.
I don't know.
I'm
Because I was teaching him the other day, he was not saying it right.
What was he saying?
He was yugyugan.
Yeah, no, okay, thank you.
Yugan. It is yugyugan. Bisaya din dito eh.
Oh.
It's also Bisaya.
Yeah.
Alam mo, I don't know, gusto kita makita naman ng isang beses, serious kang kumanta.
Seryoso
Hindi
yan.
puro na lang nung tumatakbo dito, tumatakbo doon, nahuhulog sa doon, sa doon.
Thank you.
Ako masasabi ko na kakatakot pag umapak ako dyan sa stage na yan at sabay tayong kumanta. Nakakita ako ng litrato na nakalagay, Mr. Pure Energy with Mr. Multivitamin. Grabe. Pero alam mo, sasabihin ko modesto, mali pala, no? Kedebon,
His son.
minsan napapansin ko dahil sobrang excited ka, hindi mo tinatapos yung mga kinakanta mo. At kilala ng tao eh. Alam ng tao kung ano yung mga sinasabi mo. Pero pag kumakanta ka, biglang sa dulo, nawawala ka sa
mic.
sayang, no? Yun lang ang kailangan mong ayusin ng konti. Kasi excited ka, sana kumpletuhin mo na yung package at gawin mong klaro ang bawat salita, bawat titik. But otherwise, Kedebon, you have been consistent in all. Energy and all.
Kedebon. Oh, you make us feel so good. No, seriously, kasi from serious, natitense tayo, every time na nagpe-perform si Kedebon, lahat tayo parang, ano kaya kakantahin ni Kedebon? Ganyan yung ganyan yung feel. Pero, syempre, I have to say, sa mga flaws mo, yun yung lagi mong nagagawa na pag na-excite ka, either nawawala ka sa tono or parang yung mic mo lumalayo, nawawala, yun ang pag-aralan mo. Pero, other than that, Kedebon.
Tama lahat sila. Yung mga sinasabi na, tama lahat yun. Di ba? Alam mo naman yun. Pag sobrang excited, nawawala ka sa words, mawawala ka sa tono. But I want you to know, and I want everyone who's been tweeting and texting and Facebooking, this is probably a guy who has more character than anyone I've ever met in my career. You represent somebody yung never say die attitude. These are the qualities of a superstar. The voice, it can be fixed.
Okay.
Very proud of you.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you, judges. Okay. Guys, kung para kay Kedebon ang boto ninyo, just type XF space KED. Pero maaari nyo lamang yung gawin na bumoto for your favorite finalist pagkatapos mag-perform ng lahat ng ating contestants tonight. Maraming salamat, Kedebon. Okay, mga kapamilya, abangan naman ang performance ng isa pang pambato ni Gary V at ni Sharice. Only here on the X Factor Philippines.
The search is on for the Miss Casino Filipino 2012. Open to all single females, 18 to 25 years old, who has the personality, intelligence, charm, and the heart to serve. Be the one we are looking for and get the chance to win 500,000 pesos grand prize. Contact Pagcor Entertainment Department or log on to www.pagcor.ph.